Hello guys, another video here. Just quickly, as I was on it, I thought I'd share this with you. So we've got a W205 plug-in hybrid, 2017 I believe this vehicle is, C-Class. And the issue with this one is that the tailgate lid, the motor, it doesn't automatically open and close the boot lid. I don't know if you can see it there, we've currently got it open at the moment. But that's the issue with this car, and the fault codes it was giving us, which are common as well: B188229, position sensor for trunk liftgate lid slash tailgate has a malfunction, invalid signal, and then the electric motor for the trunk lid slash liftgate tailgate has a malfunction. There's a short circuit to ground. That's just a stored one, but the active one installed is that position sensor one there. Now, we've had this before in the past with this type of vehicle. It is just a wiring issue. With the diagnostics, you can actuate the lid open and closed, but from the button itself on the lid, it won't do anything at all. So I'll just quickly show you where this wiring is and how to get to it. So here's the rear of the vehicle. So the lock button will work, but the actual automatic tailgate opening wouldn't work. So in the back here, in order to get access to the motor, which is on this side just here, we've just taken off this rear panel here. There's a couple of clips on it on the other side, and then this just lifts up. The same with this bottom panel here, a few clips, and that panel will come up as well. On this left hand side, a few clips here for the plastic insert panel, then that will come out on the other side. Take this one out here as well, but just to show you guys what we're working with. The actual wiring is those three there. So you can see that green wire, that's the one that we found was broken, but the pink and the brown also were showing signs of deterioration. As you can see on there, they've been bent back. Now where that connects to is just above in here, so just in this bit here it connects into. So there's obviously strain on these wire connectors here, so we're going to get all three of them replaced. I think it's going to be the best thing, and get a connector put on, soldered up properly, give it enough slack so it's got enough to work with, and then put it back together. But yeah, that's going to be your issue right there, and that's where it's found, just in case you need it. Just a quick video. If you have any questions, comment below.